I welcome you to my class of science. This is science paper 2, particularly chemistry. Okay, so in chemistry, I've just introduced a new topic known as acids, bases, and alkalis. So that is our main topic for today. So I'm just asking you to pay attention and follow step by step so that you can fully understand this wonderful topic that will actually help you to answer examination questions perfectly. Okay, so to start with, we are looking at acids. Acids, what is it? So here we are saying the few points that I've prepared for you. The first bullet, when a substance dissolves in water, it forms an aqueous solution. So any substance that dissolves in water, that particular substance form an aqueous solution. Okay. Then point two, some substances after dissolving in water release hydrogen ions. So it's not every substance that when dissolved in water releases hydrogen ions. There are just some substances that do that. Okay. So now these substances that release hydrogen ions in water, once they dissolve, they are called acids. Okay. I'm sure I've explained acid very well. So acid is any substance. I would say acid is any substance when dissolved in water releases hydrogen ions. Okay. So we can now go to the next point. Hydrogen ion is also called proton because it only contains a proton. Okay. You know what it means when we say protons. We talked about protons, electrons, and neutrons. So now hydrogen ion contains proton. Therefore, it is called protons. Okay. Acids are proton donors. Okay, so we have heard the substance that actually releases hydrogen ion when dissolved in water are called acids. So these acids, they are called proton donors because that ions is same as the protons. Okay, so all acids are proton what? Donors. They donate protons to the solution and increase hydrogen ion concentration in the solution. So them, they donate protons to the solution and increases the concentration of what? Hydrogen ion. Okay, in that particular solution. For example, we have when hydrochloric acid, which is represented by this chemical formula, dissolves in water, it deassociates into hydrogen ions and chlorine ions. Okay, so when hydrochloric acid dissolves in water, what is going to be deassociated there, to be deassociated, is hydrogen ion, which is a positively charged, and chlorine ion negatively charged. Okay, so meaning it has given out protons there. Those ions are also called what? Protons, because they contain protons. Okay, so we have, just like the example that I have given you, there is a chemical equation there which is actually going to do what? To explain what I'm trying to say here. Okay, so this is hydrochloric acid. This is aqueous solution. So now when it dissolves in water, it will actually give out hydrogen ion, positively charged, plus chlorine ion. Therefore, acids are proton what? Donors. They have given out hydrogen ion, which is aqueous solution, as well as chlorine ion. Okay, or chloride ion. Then the next point, hydrogen ions are responsible for acid properties. Okay, so hydrogen ions are responsible for acid properties. So you'll be able to tell that this is acid once you see the hydrogen ions given out. Okay, so now let us quickly go to the properties of acids. To start with, we are starting with physical properties of acids. So physical properties of acids, the first one, they have sour taste. For example, lemon juice and vinegar. So acids have got sour taste. When you taste, you are going to taste to feel sour. Okay. So they have even given us things that actually acted as acids. One of them is lemons. Then the other one is vinegar. So lemons, they taste sour. Therefore, that is an acid. Okay. Then two, they turn a blue litmus paper red. Okay. So if you want to tell that this solution is acid, just get the litmus paper, pour onto it. It will definitely turn to red from blue. Just know that there is an acid. This is acid solution. Okay. Then three, strong acids are corrosive. Strong acids are corrosive. What does that mean? They are corrosive. The word corrosive simply means burn. They burn. Okay. They destroy. That's what it means. For example, when you talk of hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid, once you get that particular acid, try to put it on your skin. You see what will happen. Automatically, the skin will start burning. Okay. So strong acids are corrosive. You'll be able to tell that this is acid. That is physical properties of acids. Then four, they are soluble in water. So acid, they are soluble in water. Once you mix with water, definitely that particular acid will completely dissolve to form an aqueous solution. Okay. Then five, acids solution have a pH value below 7. Okay. The pH value below 7, from 1 up to 6. Okay, that is acids. So even the strongest, the strong of an acid depends on the pH value. Okay. So now below 7, that is acids. Anything fall under below 7 pH scale, just know that this is in acids. Okay. They conduct electricity. So acids conduct electricity. So you can be able to tell. What does that mean? Electricity, acid is a good conductor of electricity. Electricity can pass it through, and they also make electricity. Okay, that is acid. Physical properties of acids. So we have talked about this. So the next lesson that we are about to go into, we are going to look at now chemical properties of acids. Thank you so very much for paying particular attention and understand my explanation. So what I'm doing here, I'm actually giving you the skill as well as the knowledge, okay, that can actually help you during your exam, and it will definitely help you during your 2026 GC or internal, 2027 GC or internal, 2028 GC or internal. You'll be really helped with my explanation. Thank you so very much. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Pedagogy Learning with Mr. A+ Zambia. See you in the next class.